So now let's see how we can work around with curves inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with curves, first of all, you need to go around onto the image menu and then go to adjustments, and then over here you can see that curves is an option. So once you go around onto curves right here, then you can see that this is what you have. It is simply like levels right here, and if I were to click and drag this out, so you can see that these are the channel right here right now. And if I were to go around and click and drag this out, you can see that I can go around and bring the black up right here, make it more brighter right here, or bring the whites down right here, make it much more darker. If I were to go around, click somewhere in between, I can go around and bring this up or down, as you can see right here. So usually I can go around, make the bright more brighter right here, and make the dark more darker to get more contrast right here. You can also go for sketch so that you can randomly sketch out the levels right here, just like this, to get a more posterized look right here as well. But let me just go around onto auto right here and go for the spline mode itself. Apart from that, you can also go around onto just the red channel and change around the red. Let's say I bring up the red on the darkened side right here, and then you can bring up the green on the brightened side right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. You can also go around and then change around the spline of one particular color right here, just like this as well. Apart from that, you got the sample image right here, and you can go around and take the dark sample and then choose the darkmost area of the picture. You can go for white sample and take the whitemost area of the picture, which may be this right here, just like this, or select something else right here, just like this. And then you can go for the gray and select the gray area right here to get the right color balance. And that is what you have, as you can see right here. And this is how you can utilize the curves to apply different color level effects and control the brightness and contrast in Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.